In marketing, lead generation stands for the initiating of initial consumer interest or inquiry into services or products of an organization. Leads may be generated for various purposes like an e-newsletter, list building, or direct sales. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation ideas you can use for generating leads. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Lead generation by organizations has emerged as an important and successful tool in business nowadays. Lead generation is considered the backbone of contemporary online marketing strategies, which ultimately aims at building a strong customer base through the generation of leads. Lead generation does not only relate to gathering leads but also involves the creation of awareness about a product or service to a target audience. The techniques that are commonly used for lead generation include demand generation, demand tracking, and customer relationship management (CRM). This article is all about the importance of demand generation in your marketing strategy. You might have heard of the term lead generation, but do you know what it actually entails? For starters, lead generation refers to the process of gathering potential customers or clients through various types of methods. There are many different ways or techniques that are often adopted for lead generation. Below are some of the most commonly practiced techniques. Lead generation can sometimes be achieved by using direct or indirect advertising. One of the most popular techniques is the use of classified ads like lead magnets. Lead magnets are printed on newspapers and other printed materials where the user can insert their name and contact information. When a user inserts their contact information, it will automatically be added to the list of leads. Potential customers looking for certain products and services will usually look for contact information regarding this product and will contact the person listed in the magnet. Many companies also adopt the concept of demand generation or demand promotion. This is a technique that uses various forms of advertisement to attract the consumer's attention towards their products and services. The main objective here is to create awareness about the products and services so that people are encouraged to make business with the company. There are many companies that create awareness through television commercials or creating posters that contain interesting slogans and images that will catch the attention of the target audience. Another type of lead generation idea is through gated content websites. Gated content websites are websites that contain high-quality information about a particular subject. Usually, when these sites contain high-value content articles, they will have high viewing rates. A good example of such a website would be an ebook that contains tips on how to grow organic vegetables. On the back side of the book, users will be given contact information such as their email addresses. In the book, the authors will have their links placed on strategic locations to attract more people to visit their sites and buy the book. Another form of lead generation ideas is through viral contests. Viral contests occur when a set number of people are invited to participate in a contest, and if their feedback is positive, that person will be entered in a new contest. The prize here will be high-quality leads because companies are willing to spend money in order to acquire the contact details of all participants in a contest. For viral contests, you need to use blogs or social media sites because these sources of information are known to generate large amounts of traffic. You can also use video clips that contain the key points of the topic as well as testimonials from satisfied customers. Last but not least among the list is by using display ads on blogs or social media sites. Display ads usually appear on the sidebar or at the top of the page. When the ad is clicked on, a user will be redirected to a web page where she can view the display ads. Here, companies can take advantage of their target audience's tendencies in order to generate leads through the use of display ads. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation ideas you can use for generating leads. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.